Hello, this is Miss Crocker, and I will be teaching you the calculator skills. The calculator skills are a set of skills that you can use on the STAR test to answer a majority of the questions. So, your job will be to work through all of the examples, watch how you do the example, and then try one on your own. And then, if you need extra practice, there'll be some extra problems for you to practice. And when you feel like you're ready, you're going to take the quiz. And the quiz or test, we're expecting a 100% on. You should know how to do 100% of the problems after going through these examples and these quizzes. So here's example one. Which expression is equivalent to? So calculator skill one key word that you're going to find is equivalent to. Another one is rewrite. And another one sometimes is represents. Okay, these are three words that could indicate this is a calculator skill one. Another observation to know that you have calculator skill one is there's an equation or an expression in the problem and in the answer choices. So here's how you do it. Here's your calculator. You're always going to start with home, new document, save changes, no, and add a graph. That just clears your calculator out of any graphs or anything in there. It starts fresh, a new problem, a new graph. So we're going to the graph. It says f of x equals, you're going to type everything you see exactly like you see it. So 3, the x is down here, squared. This gives you a squared plus, open parenthesis, 5x minus 4x squared, close parenthesis, plus 6 minus, again, we're always going to use the minus. We are not going to use the negative. There's only one case to use a negative, and when that comes up, I'll show you. But 99% of the time, I want you using this minus button only. Open parenthesis, 6x plus 3. Now, I still call that button a negative sometimes, but this is a plus or a positive, and this is a minus or a negative, and these are ones you're going to use. Then you're going to hit enter. Okay, and so this is your original graph. This is what the one that they gave you in here. They want to know which one's equal to it. So all you have to do is hit the tab button, and that opens up a new equation, and you're going to type in the first answer choice, minus 10x plus 3. And then it's a matching game. Do those two match? No, those are not exactly the same. Then that's not the right answer. So you can eliminate answer choice A. Then you hit the tab button. Now, some people like to keep typing here. For me, I like to hit the up arrow key. And so you'll see me do this a lot. I like to delete the second one, the first one out, and type the second one in. Because I like to see only two things at a time. 18x plus 9, enter. Not the same. That's not the right answer. Can eliminate that. Then again, tab, up arrow key, delete this out, and type in the next answer choice. Minus x squared minus x plus 3. Enter. Now, those two overlap each other. They're exactly the same. If you're not sure, you can click on the blue and it'll show you the blue and then the red. And you can see they're exactly in the same spot. They're overlapping each other. Then that's the correct answer. All right, so now I'm going to give you a problem. I want you to try. Now, if you're at home, you're going to have to use Desmos, www.desmos.com. If you're at school, then you should ask your teacher for this calculator so you can practice doing it by hand. All right, here's the example you were given. So if you got it right, good job. If not, just real quick, let's look at the correct answer. You should have added a graph. 2x squared plus, open parenthesis, 4x minus 6x squared. If you did not get the correct answer, it's possible that you just typed something wrong. Or if you didn't find a correct answer, you could have just left out a parenthesis, put a plus or a minus in the wrong place. So if you ever come to the situation where none of them are correct, all you have to do is go back and start the problem over again. Then you're going to hit tab and you type in answer choice. The correct answer should have been B, so I'm going to go ahead and type that one in. 4x squared minus 2x plus 6. So this is answer choice B, which should have been the correct answer, and you see that they matched up.